Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals with healthy options, driving directions around Jamaica's self-care, home care, and so much more. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Subscription is free, so all you need to do is press that red arrow at the bottom of the video. Hi everyone, good morning. Today I'm making a nice fruit plate. The difference is I'll be using June Plum. June Plum is they have other names for it in different islands, but in Jamaica we eat it both green and ripe. So this one I'm using is a ripe one. So I washed some honeydew melon, some grapes, and pear, and not our avocado, just a regular pear, the fruit. And I'm just gonna arrange them now. I like to do a little presentation thing to let myself feel special, because why not? So I'm up early for work, so I'm just gonna put everything together in this little plate that brightens my morning. And when the work pressure gets heavy sometimes, it's good to just treat yourself very special. So that's what I'm doing. So join me as I just quietly make this beautiful fruit plate. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for watching, guys, and welcome. So even though I wash the pear, I always like to cut off the part with the label on it, because it leaves back some glue. So I always cut that off. I prefer the pears like this one, which is soft, and I don't like the crispy ones. So I just cut it in some wedges and arrange them. You can arrange them however you like to do that. And now it's my honeydew melon. You can also add like your bananas. You can add a piece of mango. With the mango, if you're watching your weight, you don't use too much of the mango, because eating one huge mango every day can put on a lot of weight. Did you know that? And whatever you like, you can change it up each day, because you know eating different fruits will give you different vitamins and different minerals. And if you want to add, you can add your protein. You could have a boiled egg with it, or some sardines or tuna. Make a little tuna salad on the side. You don't have to add bread, because you're getting a lot of starch, especially if you add bananas. So you don't have to add bread or anything. So I just continue to do my slicing and arranging them. And here I have the star of the show this morning. I have my June Plum. So for those who are not familiar with June Plum, it has a very prickly seed. So if it's green and you're going to eat it, after you peel it, you have to sort of run the knife through and sort of ease up the knife a little to cut out little wedges, because not everyone is accustomed to eating the fruit directly from the seed. So if you grow up with it, then you can do that. With the ripe one, it's much easier to eat the fruit from the seed. And some people like to add salt to it. For the green ones, I eat the green ones with sugar. I don't really, if it's a really ripe June plum, I don't need to add any salt to it. But the salt takes away the sourness of the skin. So I just peel it and I just add it to the plate with the rest of the items. And that's a beautiful treat for my morning before work. And that's it. Tell me what you like to have for fruits in the morning, and do you go through the trouble of arranging your fruits nicely to make yourself feel special? That's it. So guys, once again, thank you for watching my channel. Remember to press that red arrow at the bottom of the video, and to continue to watch, there is also a link at the end of each video, so you can watch that video which is linked, or you can just search also to find what my other videos are. And remember to check out my cooking videos, and to subscribe, share, comment, leave a nice little comment like good video, or if you want anything else to be shown, or you want to add any information in the comment section, please feel free to do so. So I really appreciate you for watching my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.